So here we're going to continue cooking BIKO rice cake. And I'm going to line this with foil, the foil pan, and then put bananas on top. In the meantime, we cook our sweet rice. You will need to use sweet rice in order to cook this BIKO. So this is 6 cups. We're going to do the 3 cups first and put it some sugar and coconut milk. Okay? We're going to put 3 cups in here first and then 3 cups later on. So we're going to put 3 cups. We're going to start with 2 cups of sugar because it's going to have toppings, and the toppings is sweet also. Okay, now whatever sugar you're using, you can use whatever sugar you're allowed to have. So 2 cups, that's 1.5, 2 cups. Okay, so we're gonna let that melt in the steaming rice, and we're gonna add in 2 cans of milk in there. This is a new brand I'm working in. This is Island Pacific brand, but we used different kinds before that. So we're gonna mix this in like this. This is our BIKO, regular white BIKO, and it's gonna have brown sugar, creamy brown sugar on top. You can put leche plan. You can color this if you want to be pandan or ube. But this is strictly just white. Okay. So we're gonna see what we could do with just one, and then we're gonna put the top. It looks like 6 cups. Looks like there's a lot. Of course, it has more. Okay, so we're gonna put more in here, and we're gonna foil our pan and then put banana leaves on top. Okay, so now we can go ahead and use the other one for the top. Okay. So for the topping, you can put brown sugar, and then you can put makapuno, whatever you want on topping. But this is very simple: brown sugar and cream, coconut cream on top, and vanilla. Okay, so first what you need to do is cook this in the oven at 350 in an hour's time to let it cook more and settle to be cake. And then later on, we're going to put toppings on top. So the next thing I'm going to do is put a foil on my foil pan and then put banana leaves on top. So, because the foil is not white, I usually double this. So whatever leaks it will have when you're baking it, it doesn't pour over when it goes in the foil pan and the banana. So this is the foil pan, this is the foil. We're gonna go into this and you need to press it down so that everything will be covered, and the foil that you use is all being used all around. Okay, just like that. Be careful not to puncture, and it will leak in the bottom of the foil. So there you have that. And so we have frozen banana leaves in here that we had defrosted earlier. So we're gonna let this go in like that. We're gonna double it just in case it will leak down. So you usually put down the thick one, the bottom, okay, and then later on you can cut around it. And I'm probably gonna put one more on top, just like that. Okay, I've washed and cleaned our banana leaves. So this is going to be poured over here.